Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is DJ. Today we are back with another video. And yeah, today I wanted to talk about, guys, these are the two biggest money-making projects in Pulsechain. And can I just say, I love Pulsechain all in all. So if you want to subscribe to this channel, I'm going to be covering everything to do with Pulsechain because I truly believe it is undervalued right now. We are past the hype phase, hence why the price drop, and we are now in the growth phase, the stuff that really matters, the stuff that literally dictates the true value of Pulsechain. With projects like this, like SparkSwap, is it really? I truly believe, I think it's going to take over PulseX. Okay, SparkSwap is very active, they're moving very fast, updating stuff on a daily, and they're super accessible, they're there. You've seen the Telegram, which I'm going to leave all the links in the description. They have farms, they got pools, they got Sparkler, which Sparkler is amazing. It's kind of like the pig pen in Drip, if you remember. And the second project I want to talk about just briefly here is the Pulse Drip, which is obviously like it's a drip fork, but with some changes that makes it, you know, better in a lot of ways, you know. So I've done videos about faucets, and today in particular I want to make a tutorial for both of those, basically about how to create an LP so that you can enter those, you know, money making pools, right? You got Spark and PLS, which if you click on this one, you're making 3% a day from day one, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, and this one you can, it's not locked. That's the crazy part, guys. It's literally not locked. You can approve it and then you can dip out. And today we're going to be showing you guys in a quick tutorial. So if you appreciate stuff like this, give it a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if you need any help with any other things. I'll be down to make more tutorial videos like this. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so number one, let's say we want to create an LP pair, right? Let's say if you want to either enter like the P-Drip LP, or you want to enter the Spark PLS LP, right? Let's go, for example, we're going to choose PLS Spark LP. What do you go from there? You go to the trade, right? Because SparkSwap is a trade in itself, and you click on liquidity. Simple as that. Now it does forget that I'm in night mode, which thank you to the person who told me to go in night mode because it's much better. I like everything in dark mode. Second of all, you want to click on add LP. Now the way LP works, or liquidity pool tokens work, you need to have an equal amount in value of both assets. It's literally like a balance. It's an equilibrium, which hence returns back that LP token pair, right? It's honestly as simple as that. So, you know, the first thing you want to do, right, we want to go with remember PLS, and we want to do Spark. And now it doesn't matter if it's the other way around, simple as that. And then let's say I have how much. I'm not gonna put that much money. I just want to do this for a demonstration. So let's say I want to put in, you know, 10,000 yeah, 10,000 PLS, and it already automatically tells you how much you need to have in Spark to balance it into equal value. So we're going to copy that number, because obviously here it does say I have insufficient balance. So I'm going to copy that number, and I'm going to go to exchange, right? Simple. Here, and I'm going to paste it here so I can buy it, and then I'm going to quick swap. Yeah, I'm happy with everything, and then simple as that. The lovely thing about Pulsechain is a super cheap transaction. Look at that, it's 2 cents. Guys, imagine if this was on Ethereum. Okay, it's crazy. And we're gonna wait that till it loads, and I guess in the meantime, I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're enjoying being in the crypto space right now. So if you're watching this video, I sense a bull run coming very soon. Okay, but that's beside the point. You know, this is for another video. Let's go back. So we got Spark, we've bought. Now we go back to the liquidity. We add liquidity. All right, and remember, we wanted that 10,000 PLS. It remembers it. It's pretty good. I'm going to put it there, insufficient Spark balance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this one, and then it will adjust the other side. And we're going to approve Spark contract, which is another easy transaction. We're going to keep everything as it is. Yes, it's fine, I know. And then we're going to give it some time. I love how this website, it actually refreshes itself. Some other websites, you have to click the refresh button. So let's see if this one works on its own and knows when, you know, contract has been fully processed. It did. This is really nice, honestly. So as simple as that. Once you have equal amount of assets of value of both sides, we're going to click on supply, confirm supply. And that is the final transaction before you get those LP tokens. Okay, it's just refreshing the price here. I'm going to click on close. We're going to wait, and then Actually, in the meantime, it should show up here in your liquidity. It will automatically, well, hopefully it will automatically detect it. Let's also see, this is another test towards SparkSwap. I think, is this a refresh? There we go. Add view on Explorer. Okay. I mean, let's do a quick refresh. Loading. Is it gonna detect it automatically? But if it doesn't, it's oh, there we go, it did detect it automatically. Lovely. And you can obviously add more, or you can remove it. Basically means this is the part where if you want to sell your LP, you can remove it. It will split it back into Spark and PLS. You cannot do it in one go where it will just turn it into Spark, or one go into PLS. Anyways, now that we have our LP tokens, we're gonna go back to that farm. Okay, so in this case, if you whatever LP token pair you've done, you can put it here and it should show up right there, or in this case right here. We're gonna first approve the contract, right? Again, we trust it. Yeah, we put any other amount, $0.01. Lovely. So imagine the compounding, imagine the harvesting, like those transactions mean nothing. So that means actually this is actually more accessible to the people who want to start with a small bag. These transaction fees would not faze anyone at all. Anyways, we're going to click on stake and I'm going to click on max, and there you go. It already knows my balance right there. We're going to click on confirm, and this is the final transaction, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. And as I said, if I'm not wrong, which I think I'm not wrong, obviously this is, you can unstake it anytime. Imagine you are making 3% a day. Like I can click the minus button right there and then unstake it. So you're making 3% a day on an unlocked staking farm. Ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm going to end the video there. That is it. This is the tutorial on how to create your LP tokens, step by step. I'm not trying to talk too much in other stuff and overwhelm you guys. This is how it works. Again, if you want to watch, I made a video where it's called Learn Crypto Before Investing. It covers everything and how liquidity works, what blockchains are, what is a block, and what is like a mempool, whereas a lot of those things that you guys want to understand before you jump into crypto. So if you're new, click on the video on the top left or right. Aside from that, guys, if you found this short simple tutorial, well, simple, again, I would understand it could be complicated to a few of you guys who are new into the crypto scene. Welcome, but please invest invest responsibly. But yeah, I'm happy to be reporting about Pulse, Drip, and SparkSwap. Those are my favorite two projects in the Pulse chain. And if you want to stay up to date with whatever is happening in Pulse chain and the hottest projects and the best projects where you'd want to invest, non-financial advice, where I would want to invest, let's word it that way, subscribe to the channel and DM me if you have any other projects that you want me to review in Pulsechain or in any other network. I've been looking at in Ethereum lately because it just seems like another higher quality network as compared to BSC. But I digress. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, subscribe. Guys, I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers at 1.98k. So I think I'm literally almost 15 subscribers away from 2,000. So subscribe to this channel for more crypto videos and subscribe to my Twitter. And again, I'm going to leave my Telegram. DM me with any of the projects you want to review or any questions you have. Aside from that, I hope you have a good rest of your day and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.